In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the process of uploading a photo to the South County Photo Club website. When I'm on the home page of the South County Photo Club website right now already, but it doesn't matter, you can start from any page. I do want to point out one thing before we get started, and that's this membership link up here at the top. When you're not logged in, if you move the mouse over the membership link, it just says membership. It doesn't have a drop-down menu. That's going to change when I log in. So the first thing you need to do is to log in before you can upload. So I'm going to scroll down all the way to the bottom to this black footer area at the very bottom of the page, and that's where you need to go to log in. You can be on any page, and you can go, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see this footer area, and at the top of the left column there's this login link. If you click that, it'll take you to a page where you can log in. I'm going to use a test account for demonstration purposes, but you would use the username and password you got when you joined the photo club. So when you enter your username and password, click login, and in a few seconds you'll get to a page that looks like this. Now you can really ignore all of this stuff. What you really want to do is just go to the very top and click where it says South County Photo Club. And what that'll do is it'll take you right back to the website. But there is a difference now. You'll notice this banner across the top which tells you that you're logged in. It'll say howdy, whatever your name is. And then over here, if you move the mouse over the membership menu, now you'll see a new item that drops down because you're logged in. It's called Gallery Uploads. I'm going to click that. And then it takes you to this page where you can start your uploads. There's some information on the page about how to do the upload, which is pretty much the same information I'm giving you right now in this tutorial. There's also some information about how to resize photos for the web, because you don't want to upload them at the full size that they came out of your camera. They'd be way too big. You can read all about that on this page. Then below that, you'll see a list of galleries that are open for uploading. Right now there's 4 or 5 galleries open, and these will vary over time. As the months go by, I'll close the older galleries because nobody else is going to have information or photos to upload, and so there's no point in making this list get really long. Right now I'm going to show the process for uploading to the critique group for the month of June. I've actually got that page open in another tab over here, so I'm going to show you. Right now there's just a single photo in that gallery. People will be adding more as we get closer to the meeting date. I'm going to add one more right now for demonstration purposes. It's actually the same photo. I'm going to upload it a second time. I wouldn't normally want to do that, but I just want to demonstrate the process. So I'm going to go back to where I was, and I see here there's a title of the gallery and a link to the upload page. And you notice the upload page is different from the actual gallery itself. If you go to this page, the uploads page, which I got to by doing membership gallery uploads, then you get your list, and then it'll click on the link. It'll take you to the page where you can do the upload. Okay, so when you get here, you just scroll down a little bit, and again, it gives you the title of the page, but notice it says Uploader. That's different, as I was just saying, it's different from the gallery. It's got a Browse button and a place for a description. So I'm going to click the Browse button, and I'm going to choose the file. Now at this point, before you start this process, you need to have already imported your photo into Lightroom or into Photoshop. You need to do whatever editing you were going to do, and then resize it and save it back out as a JPEG, a smaller file ready to be uploaded. So I've already done all that. Now I've got my JPEG here sitting on my desktop. There's the thumbnail. If I click on it, I can see the preview, and that's the image I want. I'll just click Open, and then it automatically enters the path to the file and the file name in this text box here. Then the other thing I could do is I could enter a title for the photo, or maybe I want to enter my name. Either way, you can do that or do nothing. You don't have to put anything in here. If you choose to, it'll be displayed on the gallery. Okay, I'm ready. All I have to do now is click Upload Photo. And when you do that, you'll see this circle going around in the top of your browser. It'll look a little different depending on which browser you're using and whether you're on a Mac or on Windows. But when it gets all done, it'll refresh the page, and then you'll see this message here that says, your image has been successfully uploaded. Or if you see something else, then maybe there was a problem. But most of the time, you should see this, your image has been successfully uploaded. Now that I've done that, if I go back to the gallery for the page, well, let me show you how to do it the way you're probably going to want to do it. At the bottom of every uploader page, there will be a link like this that takes you to the gallery. So I'm going to click this link, and now I'm going to the actual gallery where my photo was uploaded to. Now you see, as I mentioned before, I already had the one copy of the image. This is the second copy, and you notice it has the title that I entered, Hibiscus. So that's it. That's the process for uploading to the South County Photo Club webpage.